Okay, today I'm talking more about wildcards since somebody said we should have covered wildcards more, so let's talk a little more about wildcards. So, the two wildcard characters we talked about so far are the question mark, which matches a single character, and the star, which matches 0 or more characters. So, a wildcard essentially says, I don't really care what's here. You put a question mark, that means I don't care what's here as long as it's only one character. A star means I don't care what's here if it's 0 or more characters. So, if you need to combine those things, then you can put them together. So if you're looking at something and you know it should be 2 characters only, then you can put 2 question marks. So for example, if you were looking for something that had any 2 characters followed by the word rich, followed by anything else, this would do it. So it says match anything that has a character, the word rich, and then anything else. So I created some files. So we do a few examples. Some script files and some other files that are going to demonstrate part of the discovery exercises, I think they're called. So anyway, let's first look at the script files. If I want to see anything with the word script in it, I can do ls star script star, and that's going to show me anything that has the word script in it. If I want anything that starts with script, I take the first star out, and I only get things that have script. In this case, script 1, 2, and 3. If I am looking for my module whatever scripts, I can do ls module dot question mark underscore script. And that'll show me some of my module scripts. That'll show me my module 1, module 2, module 3 script. Module 1, module 2, module 3. It didn't show me my module 33 script, so you still kind of need to know what you're looking for. If you wanted to see the module 33 script, you put a question mark. That'll show you module 33 script. Can you see all of them? Well, if you put a star, you'll see all of them, right? Because that matches anything. But that might not do what you want. If you had some other file in there, let's make another file. Touch module intro script. Say, for example, you had a script named that for some reason in there. If you were only looking for the ones with the numbers, doing this is going to get you all of them, including the one with the name, which may or may not be what you want. So wildcards are helpful to be able to help you figure out what you're looking for without having to know exactly what you're looking for. But sometimes you have unintended consequences because things match what you may not want them to match. So that was looking at some stuff with question mark and the star. The exercise said look for any files that start with that have ATA as a second, third, and fourth characters. So I've created some files that have AT in them and ATA. So if we want to look for files that have ATA as a second, third, and fourth character, what we need to do is tell it, I don't care what the first character is, but it can only be a single character. I want ATA, and then I don't care what's after that because I just want to know files that have ATA as the second, third, and fourth character. So that took care of that right there. I had a data file with ATA, I had Natasha with ATA, and I had SATA as ATA. Some of the other ones I didn't have, and why didn't they match? I had a Protaga file. Yeah, that's awesome. I know, not even a word. That didn't match because I had 2 characters in front of the ATA, so that made the ATA the third, fourth, and fifth characters instead of the second, third, and fourth. I had this one that didn't match because the third character wasn't an A. First off, two problems. It's not the second, third, and fourth character, and then this character is not even an A, so that wouldn't match anyway. I have rat that didn't match because I'm missing the A at the end, so it did match the question mark, but it didn't match the explicit portion of the match term, and then there's nothing else after that. So I don't really know what else to say about the question mark and the star. Hopefully that clarifies things. I guess to summarize, if you want to match one specific character, you put a question mark. If you want to match I shouldn't say specific. If you want to match one single character, you put a question mark. If you want to match 2 characters, you put 2 question marks. If you want to match 3 characters, you put 3 question marks. If you want to match 0 or more characters, you put a star. So, and then if you're looking for any specific thing, like in this case, we're looking for ATA, then you put specifically what you're looking for.